I'm gonna show you our new product right here. It is our LCD temperature signage or temperature display. So I'm gonna exit this right now to show you that this is a Android device. It's Android 7.1, as you can see it right here. And this is the app right here. So obviously you can see there is a sensor for the temperature and there are cameras for facial recognition. So I'm gonna have our colleague Anna here to do some demo with you guys.
Normal temperature.
So as she steps in, it's gonna tell you the temperature.
Please face the
right here.
temperature measurement box.
And she's wearing a mask right now. What if she take off her mask?
Normal temperature.
So as she taking off her mask, coming back in.
Normal temperature. Please wear a mask.
Her temperature is okay, but the device tells her that she should wear a mask. So let's continue with more information on this product. So I will go to the settings. Let me enter my password right here. So right here it has more settings. So let me go to application settings. Body temperature settings. So right now it's at 37.5. So let's do 30 just to try the results. When somebody steps in to the camera and the sensor. Okay. So go back. Okay. Okay. Anna, please step in. So because her temperature is normal and my setting is at 30, so this alarm is going to sound. Okay.
Normal temperature. Please wear